Hello, hello.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, students.
Good
Good morning, sir.
morning,
Good morning. Good morning.
sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. So, students, today we will solve the questions based on Pythagoras theorem. It is our exercise 6.5. It is exercise 6.5. In first question, sides of triangles are given below. Determine which of them are right triangles. In case of right triangle, write the length of the hypotenuse. In first question, some numbers are given. For example, first 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter, and 25 centimeter. We have to check whether these sides are the sides of a right triangle or not. What shall we do? Add the square of these two smaller sides. So 7 square plus 24 square will be equals to 49 plus 576 is equals to 625, and 25 square is equals to 625. So here we see that 7 square plus 24 square is equals to 24 5 square. Therefore, these are the sides of a right triangle. And as we know that hypotenuse is the longest side, hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. This will be answer. Here we have to check whether these given lengths are the sides of a right triangle or not. So square the smaller two sides and add them, and then find the square of the greatest side. If both are equal, it means we can say that 7 square plus 24 square is equals to 25 square. It means these are the sides of a right triangle and its hypotenuse will be the longest side, 25 centimeter. In next question, question number 2, a figure is given. Figure is not given. PQR is a triangle, right angle at P. In question number 2, it is given that PQR is a triangle, right angle at P, PQR, and M is a point on QR. Here is a M, such that PM perpendicular QR. This is perpendicular. So what is given here? Given here, angle P is equals to 90 degree and PM perpendicular to QR. What we have to prove? We have to prove that PM square is equals to QM into MR. See here in this question, question number 2, question is given. In question number 2, PQR is a triangle, right angle at P, and M is a point on QR such that PM perpendicular to QR. We have to show that PM square is equals to QM into MR. So how shall we prove it? Note it down. Here we have to prove that this PM square will be equals to QM into MR. It means we have to take two triangles such that both contains PM as a side. We have to prove here, if we use here similarity, then it will be easily proved. Means we have to prove this triangle similar to this triangle. See here, as I stated yesterday, how shall we prove these two triangles are similar? If you take this angle as x and this is right angle, so this angle will become 90 degree minus x, and then this angle will become x, and this whole angle is 90 degree. If this is x, so this angle will be 90 degree minus x. So here we will take in proof, in triangle PMR and triangle, if we are taking here PMR, so here we will take QMP. QMP angle PMR is equals to angle QMP is equals to 90 degree each. Angle MPR will be equals to angle MQP. See here, MPR and MQP both are x, and angle PRM will be equals to, if we are taking PRM, so here QPM, angle QPM will be equal to 90 degree minus x. It means all the angles of first triangle is equals to all the angles of second triangle. Therefore, both the triangles, triangle PMR is similar to triangle QMP. It is by angle similarity. Therefore, we need here PM. So PM by this QM, and again we need MR. So if we take MR in this side, so PM will be in this side. So here we get PM square is equals to QM into MR. It is proved. Note it down. Yes. Anybody has any problem?
No, sir.
Is there any problem? Sundaram, have you any problem?
No, sir.
Sundaram, your sound is not coming. Have you any problem?
No, sir.
Have you noted it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
question number third, figure is given, and do yourself. In first question, AB square is equals to BC into BD. It means you have to prove the bigger triangle similar to smaller this triangle ABC. You have to prove here triangle ACB या BCA similar to triangle BAD. Here angle A is 90 degree. So first result you will get. Means third question do yourself, third, fourth, fifth do yourself, sixth is also for you. I am going to prove this 7. Question number 7. In question number 7, prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. Draw a rhombus here. Here ABCD is a rhombus. Given here ABCD is a rhombus. AC and BD are its diagonals. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that sum of the squares of sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. Means we have to prove that AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square will be equals to AC square plus BD square. AC square plus BD square. As we know that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other as at right angle. It is a property of rhombus that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angle. So in proof, we'll write here, since diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Therefore, angle AOB is equals to angle BOC. Angle COD is equals to angle DOA. This all will be equals to 90 degree. And in a right angle triangle, if we take triangle AOB, triangle AOB, AB square will be equals to OA square plus OB square. But here OA will be, OA is half of AC because diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. So at place of OA, we can write AC by 2 whole square. And at the place of OB, we can write BD by 2 whole square. BD by 2 whole square. Rewrite the region here, since diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. So here we get AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4. This is AB square. Write it equation number first. Similarly, now, similarly, this BC square will be equals to AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4. And CD square will be equals to AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4. And AD square will be equals to AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4. This is equation number 2, this is equation number 3, and this is equation number 4. On adding equation 1, 2, 3, and 4, in left side you get AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square. And in right side, AC square by 4, AC square by 4, AC square by 4, AC square by 4 will become AC square. So finally, right here on adding equation 1, 2, 3, and 4, you get this result. Note it down.
सर प्रूफ में सेकंड लाइन पे क्या लिखे हैं?
Where? यहाँ.
यस सर.
Angle AOB equals to angle BOC equals to angle COD. AOB, BOC, COD, AOD. Angle AOB equals to angle BOC is equals to angle COD is equals to angle DOA is equals to 90 degree.
हो गया सर.
Last line, write yourself on adding equation 1, 2, 3, and 4 and write this result.
हो गया सर.
हो गया सर.
हो गया सर.
Question number 8. A figure is given. In question number 8, a figure is given in your book. Draw a triangle ABC. And here, these are the perpendiculars to all the sides. This is O. This is D, E, and F. Given here, OD perpendicular BC, OD perpendicular BC, OE perpendicular to AC, and OF perpendicular to AB. We have to prove in first OA square plus OB square plus OC square, OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equals to AF square plus BD square plus C square. In second question, AF square plus BD square plus C square is equals to A square plus CD square plus BF square. We have to prove this. See here, we have to do here one construction. One construction will be done. Third will be construction. OA, OB and OC are joined. OA, OB and OC are joined. Now proof. See here, what we have to prove here? Here OA square is given, means OA is where? OA यहाँ है, तो कौन सा ट्रेंगल लेंगे हम? ये ट्रेंगल लेंगे या ये ट्रेंगल लेंगे? तो यहाँ देखो, इस ट्रेंगल के भी दो साइड होने चाहिए. अगर हम ये ट्रेंगल लेते हैं या ये ट्रेंगल लेंगे तो OA इज आवर हाइपोटेनस. राइट साइड को देखो, यहाँ AF स्क्वायर है, इट मीन्स ये ट्रेंगल लेना है. तो इन ट्रेंगल AFO, angle AFO is equals to 90 degree. See here, in triangle AFO, angle AFO is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, OA square minus OF square will be equals to AF square. Write it equation number first, and it is by Pythagoras theorem. So see here, in first case, when we are getting AF square of right side, in left side we are getting OA square minus OF square. Similarly, BD is the side of which triangle? This triangle. So in triangle BDO, angle BDO is equals to, angle BDO is equals to 90 degree. So here we get OB square minus OD square is equals to BD square. This is equation second, and reason will be same. This is by Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, see here, here is C square. So C is the side of which triangle? C is the side of which triangle? It is here. So in triangle CEO, in triangle CEO, angle CEO is equals to 90 degree. So here we get OC square minus OE square is equals to C square. It is equation number third, and it is by Pythagoras theorem. Now on adding equation 1, 2 and 3, we get left side and right side. Add here. On adding, equation 1.
सर वहाँ पे ट्रायंगल लिखे, फिर उसके बाद एंगल.
कहाँ पे? हेलो, हाँ जी बोलो, कहाँ ट्रायंगल लिखे? हेलो,
सब सही है सर.
on adding equation 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. You get the first result. OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OF square minus OE square minus OD square minus OF square, OE square, sorry, will be equal to AF square plus BD square plus C square. First is proved. पहला ये प्रूफ हो गया. सेकंड में देखो, एक तरफ तो वही है जो हम लोगों ने प्रूफ किया है, दूसरी तरफ ए स्क्वायर प्लस सी डी स्क्वायर प्लस बी एफ स्क्वायर है. तो ये फाइंड करोगे. व्हेन यू फाइंड दिस, यू गेट दिस ऑल. वो जो लास्ट में आया है उसको लिख लो इक्वेशन नंबर 5. राइट इट इक्वेशन नंबर 5. And here the remaining portion is here. For second, it was proof number first. For proof number second, write this all. A square plus CD square plus BF square will be equals to. See here, A is the side of which triangle? This triangle. So here, A square means OA square minus OE square. So it will be OA square minus OE square plus CD square here. CD square equals to OC square minus OD square, OC square minus OD square plus BF square is here. So BF square means OB square minus OF square. Write it equation number 6. It is equation number 6. Now from equation 5th and 6th. See in equation number 5th, लेफ्ट साइड देखो, इक्वेशन 5th का लेफ्ट देखो और 6 का राइट देखो, दोनों देखो सेम आएगा. इक्वेशन 5th का लेफ्ट साइड और इक्वेशन 6 का राइट साइड इक्वल है, तो बाकी जो एक साइड है वो बराबर होगा. देयरफॉर वी कैन राइट AF स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर प्लस C स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू A स्क्वायर प्लस CD स्क्वायर प्लस BF स्क्वायर. ध्यान से देखो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग हियर इन इक्वेशन नंबर 5th का जो लेफ्ट साइड है वो A स्क्वायर प्लस OB स्क्वायर प्लस OC स्क्वायर माइनस OF स्क्वायर माइनस OD स्क्वायर माइनस OE स्क्वायर. सेम थिंग इज हियर, OA स्क्वायर प्लस OB स्क्वायर प्लस OC स्क्वायर माइनस OE स्क्वायर OD स्क्वायर एंड OF स्क्वायर. तो इस इक्वेशन का एक साइड 5th के एक साइड के बराबर है, तो दूसरे साइड भी क्या होंगे? बराबर होंगे. एंड इट इज प्रूव्ड. Students, have you noted it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
सर हो गया, जिनका हो गया वो
हो गया सर.
हाँ बेटा, तो और को लिखने दो ना, सुन लिया मैंने.
हो गया सर. हो गया सर. हो गया सर. हो गया सर. लिखिए लिखिए.
Now question number 9, 10, 11 and 12. Just after drawing their figure, I will explain this. 9, 10, 11 and 12 सबका एक ही बार मैं फिगर बनाता हूं और
हो
सबको
गया
एक्सप्लेन कर
सर।
दूंगा। हाँ जी, क्या हो गया? हेलो,
हो गया।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. A ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. ये देखो, ये एक खिड़की है यहाँ पर, इस पर एक लैडर माने एक सीढ़ी है, and the length of this ladder is 10 meter and reaches at a height of 8 meter. So what will be this length? Question है कि find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base. Foot of the ladder from the base. Find कर लोगे by Pythagoras theorem. Question number 10. A guy wire attached to a vertical pole. ये vertical pole है और इसको सीधा रखने के लिए एक तार जो लगाया जाता है गाई वायर, ये गाई वायर है। A guy attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long. It is 18 meter and it is 24 meter. It is PQR. Again we have to find QR. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? ये कितनी दूर पे बांधा जाए इस वायर को कि ये पोल सीधा खड़ा रहे? तो फाइंड हियर QR. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. An aeroplane leaves the airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. तो सी यार, नॉर्थ किधर की तरफ होता है? ऊपर की तरफ। यहां से, ये अगर एयरपोर्ट है, यहां से नॉर्थ की तरफ एक एरोप्लेन गया 1000 किलोमीटर पर आवर, इसका स्पीड है 1000 किलोमीटर पर आवर, नॉर्थ गया। उसके बाद एट द सेम टाइम अनदर एरोप्लेन लीव्स द सेम एयरपोर्ट एंड ड्यू वेस्ट, तो वेस्ट किधर होगा? इधर की तरफ होगा। ये 1000 किलोमीटर पर आवर का स्पीड है और इसका 1200 किलोमीटर पर आवर का स्पीड है। आफ्टर 1 आवर व्हाट विल बी द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम? आफ्टर 1.5 आवर, 1.5 घंटे के बाद इनके बीच का ये दूरी कितना होगा? इट इज राइट एंगल। तो देखो 1.5 घंटा में ये कितना जाएगा? 1500 किलोमीटर चला जाएगा, और ये 1.5 घंटे में कितना जाएगा? 1800 किलोमीटर चला जाएगा। नाउ फाइंड दिस MNO। क्या करना है? See here, it is 1800 kilometer, it is 1500 kilometer. Find this OM by Pythagoras theorem. ठीक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11। 11 तो हो गया ना। 12. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter. 11 मीटर का, एक 6 मीटर का, दो पोल लगाए गए। It is 6 मीटर, it is 11 मीटर। ये राइट एंगल पे होंगे, इनके बीच का दूरी फाइंड करना है। वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देयर हाई पोल्स, दिस देयर व्हाट टॉप्स, इसको लिख दो ABCDE। तो देखो ये अगर 6 हो गया तो दिस विल बी 5 मीटर, और ये गिवन है, उनके बीच का जो डिस्टेंस है इट इज 12 मीटर। इट इज 12 मीटर, तो ये 12 मीटर हो गया। तो इट इज 5, इट इज 12, तो दिस विल बी 13 मीटर। The distance between their vertices will be 15 meter. Sorry, it will be 15, 12, 13, 13, ठीक था, 13 मीटर। तो ये क्वेश्चंस है, केवल फिगर बनाना है तुम्हें, and you can solve like this by using the Pythagoras theorem. Question number 13, 14, 15, 16 are very, these questions were very important in previous exams, but this year this topic is reduced by the board. So this year these questions will not come in your board examination, but from other point of view these questions are very important. Question number 13, 14, 15, 16 ये हम लोग करेंगे कल. Today very less time is there. If you have any problem, you have any query, you can ask me. आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है आप पूछ सकते हैं.
तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का सेकेंड पार्ट बताइए.
8 का सेकंड पार्ट तो बताया ना. 8 का सेकंड पार्ट में तुम्हें क्या करना था. 8 का सेकंड पार्ट तो मैं सॉल्व किया था. 8 के सेकंड पार्ट में ये जो फर्स्ट पार्ट प्रूफ हुआ इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 5 मैंने लिखा था. और सेकंड पार्ट में जो इसके राइट साइड में दिया हुआ है ए स्क्वायर प्लस सी डी स्क्वायर प्लस बी एफ स्क्वायर, ये हमें फाइंड कर लेना था. तो जो फर्स्ट का लेफ्ट साइड है वही उसके राइट साइड में आएगा. दोनों इक्वेशन का एक साइड इक्वल हो जाएगा तो अपने आप बराबर होगा. ये डॉट डॉट फिर कोई ज्वाइन करने लगा बार बार.
12 वाला बता दीजिए.
12th वाले में कह रहा है कि 2 पोल है, एक का हाइट 11 मीटर है.
12 वाला
मीटर. हाँ हेलो
सर वही.
एक तरफ 11 मीटर टोटल हाइट है, 6 मीटर है. दोनों के बीच के फुट के बीच का डिस्टेंस 12 मीटर है. तो फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देयर टॉप्स. तो यहाँ देखो ये जब 6 है तो ये भी 6 हो जाएगा. और ये टोटल 11 है तो ये 6 है तो ये 5 हो जाएगा. यहाँ 12 है तो यहाँ भी 12 हो गया. तो ADE एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल बना जिसमें ये 12 है ये 5 है. AE निकाल लेना बाई पाइथागोरस थ्योरम.
हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम होगा.
हाँ देखो क्या होता है, अभी कोई गाइडलाइन नहीं है. नो इंफॉर्मेशन टू मी. हो गया स्टूडेंट्स, हैव यू नोटेड इट?
यस
Yes, sir.
कल मिलते हैं.
Sir.